Alright, what do you think there, mister? Everything's been extra clean. Surely there's nothing to smell. I've mopped everything. Lots of mopping. Hmm? Where are you going? Hmm? Has it been cleaned to your satisfaction, Mr. Inspector? It's possible stuff has gotten under the filing cabinet. I could clean under it, but it'd be a nightmare to move. Those Technion filing cabinets are super heavy. What are you doing? Hmm? You smell your brother in there? Goofball. What do you think? Hmm? Oh, everything's been cleaned with water, dish soap, and water, hydrogen peroxide, then more water. I don't like how puffy and intensely he's smelling that, but let's see. Hey, Onyx, come here. Touch. Hey, touch. No, touch. Good kitty. What are you doing? What do you smell? How do you smell stuff even on there still? Do I need to find more fun chemicals to clean with? Huh? Oh, can't be behind the cardboard shield. Ha 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 ha. It's a game. You go back to sniffing? There's definitely stuff in the door frame. There's no way for me to easily take that apart though. I think I could, but it's gonna be a total nightmare. Same with moving that Technion lateral filing cabinet. What are you up to there, mister? Hey. Come on. Touch. Good kitty. Good kitty. What are you thinking? You're expecting treats, aren't you? Hmm? Oh, it's a game. What are you up to? What? Alright, let's go back to your area. Come on. Come on, mister. Come on. Let's go. Good kitty. Careful. You're gonna lose your tail, mister. Hi. Alright. Come on. Let's go. You can go to Smokey's room. There we give Smokey a chance to inspect my cleaning. And a little bit of freedom before we do some more supervised interaction time. Come on. Hi. Good kitty. You want a snack? Alright. We'll do a snack and then Smokey gets to come out. Alright, Smokey, it's your turn to be free. I don't think there's anything left on that plate to eat. Come on. You want to inspect to see how clean things are? Come on, Smokey. Alright, go inspect the area. I don't think I'll need the shield with him. Smokey's never attacked me directly. What's up? Maybe I do want the shield. Smokey won't do target trainings anyways, so if I need the shield, I have it. What do you smell, mister? Hmm? You good? Good kitty. Good kitty. Hmm? What are you doing? You gonna rub on the cardboard? Whoa. Everything's fancy and clean. Goofball. Hey, what about over here? Are you gonna go check out the carrier now that Onyx has been in there? Don't chew on it. I know what you're thinking. Of course you're gonna go inside. Don't need to be in there right now, but you're gonna go in anyways. What are you doing? What? It's gonna fall over, looks like, almost. There we go. I don't get what he smells. Unless he's smelling it because it's that clean. He's licking the window, though. It's possible I also tracked some of the spray around if I stepped in any of it unknowingly. He's definitely going for the corner of the door, which is kind of where the hydrogen peroxide was leaking out when I dumped it all over the door's window. What do you smell? Hmm? I need my cardboard shield? Are you calm and good kitty? Sniff sniff? Yeah, I mopped over there. I do kind of like having this more open. No cart here. But I gotta figure out where the tool cart goes if it's not right there. Used to be where the humidifier is, but the humidifier's there because I need the outlet. Maybe I need to find somewhere else for the humidifier. I could put it over there. I don't know if having it blowing on stuff is probably good though. It's almost that time of year though where I put it away. What are you doing? Come on. You seem worried. What are you worried about? You hear your brother? Alright, you be good.